Introduction of PuTTY. PuTTY is a free and open-source terminal emulator, serial console and network file transfer application. It supports several network protocols, including SCP, SSH, Telnet, rlogin, and raw socket connection. It can also connect to a serial port. Name PuTTY has no official meaning, though TTY is sometimes used to refer to the Unix terminals, as an acronym for teletype. PuTTY is a very versatile tool for remote access to another computer. It's probably used more often by people who want secure remote shell access to a Unix or Linux. PuTTY client is used by Windows users to connect to their web server via SSH and pass commands through it directly to the terminal. PuTTY is developed by Simon Tatham using programming language C for Windows OS, and it is released in year 1999 under GNU General Public License. Steps to install PuTTY and connect to XCP-ng server. Using PuTTY, the terminal emulator program, we will learn how to install PuTTY, how to connect over SSH via PuTTY. Step: how to install PuTTY. Let's download the installation packages. Access the website and download the latest version. Download URL putty.org. Run the PuTTY installer. Select destination location window appears. Remain the default and click Next. Select Start menu folder window appears. Remain the default and click Next. Select Additional Tasks window appears. Select Create a desktop icon for PuTTY. Then click Next and proceed with the installation. Step: how to connect over SSH via PuTTY. Let's connect to the XCP-ng server via SSH. Just follow the steps, and refer to the pictures. Open the PuTTY from your desktop icon. Make sure that you are on the Session tab. Check the connection type is set to SSH. If the connection type is correct, proceed with entering the hostname and port. The hostname in our case is 192.168.1. 254 XCP-ng server's IP address. The port is 22. Click the Open button. Since you are connecting to server for the first time, it will prompted with the security alert. Just click Yes. A black terminal window will open which will ask for your username. Type the username and hit Enter. Now it will ask for password. Type your password and press Enter. Now you have logged into XCP-ng server via PuTTY. Note, as you type the password it will not show on screen, thus make sure that you are typing the correct password, since there is no way to see what you've entered, or the length of the character string that you enter.